You've been snoring like a monster at night, too. Oh,
Me?
my, yes. It sucks. It's horrible, and I just get so pissed at you. And then you'll get up and from the fire and be like, if I see that you're smiling, I get really mad because I'm like, you didn't have to deal with it.
Nobody has ever said anything about my snoring. I know I snore. My husband tells me, like, he's super annoyed I snored, but for some reason I thought I wasn't snoring here. People get voted off because of snoring. I don't want to get voted off because of
I would never vote you out because you snore.
I love it when the tribe's getting along. I think it does feel good to laugh, which is honestly so healthy out here.
Yes! Baywatch, baby! Yes! You look stunning.